meeting in the middle is not always the right answer, but I do believe that the problem is so big that it's going to take a variety of elements in a solution to come up with something that works, and that's going to necessarily mean compromise.
I mean, nobody can be happy 100% of the time. We have to find out, and we all have to do what's best for the country, not just what's best for us. I think, Kennedy said it best, ask not what you can do for myself, but for my country. It's a little paraphrasing.
Let's forget about a political affiliation and, taxing the rich and giving to the poor. Whatever needs to be done, let's just take a look at it and let's do what's fair and equitable and not take such a political stand in which it's more of a power struggle than what's right for the country.
You can't have trillion-dollar debts every year and not in the long term have a consequence. And that consequence will come in the next 4 or 5 years, just when my girls get out of college, and they're going to be hit terribly hard with higher tax rates and high interest rates.
There are certain groups who have, multi-million-dollar income. If we take a couple $1,000,000 in tax from them, they're still going to have a couple $1,000,000. Their life is still going to be really, really great. They're not living paycheck to paycheck. They still have a vacation home and a Ferrari.